This is The Scoop for Monday.
I'm Megan Bowman with the WMNF News headlines.
President-elect Donald Trump's promise to crack down on illegal immigration is worrying some undocumented immigrants. Organizing director of Florida Immigrant Coalition, Ariel Sepulveda, says people have options available.
Community is everything. Check in with your folks, and not just checking in with your folks, but connecting to organizations on the ground like ourselves, who can help you with those legal resources.
Trump says when he takes office, he will enforce the largest mass deportation event in history. A study from the American Immigration Council says it would be most significant in Florida, California, and Texas. Florida Surgeon General Dr. Joseph Ladapo says no more fluoride should be added to drinking water. At a press conference Friday, Ladapo announced new guidelines for fluoridation in cities and counties statewide.
It is public health malpractice with the information that we have now to continue adding fluoride to water systems in Florida.
Ladapo says studies have found excessive fluoride exposure could possibly cause learning disabilities and lower IQ levels in children. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says cities add fluoride to the water supply to promote good oral health. Robert F. Kennedy Jr., Trump's choice for Secretary of the Department of Health and Human Services, told NPR earlier this month he will be recommending removing fluoride nationwide when he moves into his new role. This holiday season is set to break travel records. WMNF's Kylie Petrasic reports, to keep ourselves and others healthy, experts recommend people stay up to date on flu and COVID-19 shots.
Although COVID-19 is the nation's 10th leading cause of death, experts say staying up to date on your shots is the most effective way to keep yourself and your family healthy this holiday season. James Mancy is the Vice President of Medical Affairs at Moderna.
The single most effective intervention in protecting yourself and your loved one, your community, your friends, your family, is staying up to date with the COVID vaccines. And so it's a combination. I find that these rates are related to both the individual conditions, their state of health, their travel, their exposures, all of which together, and their maintenance of their vaccination status.
Mancy shared that an estimated 1 million Floridians already have developed an active case of long COVID, which is when the symptoms persist past 3 months.
We've got to stop normalizing disease burden and start normalizing healthy living, in which vaccination and staying up to date with one's vaccines are a part of that healthy living.
AAA estimates nearly 80 million travelers will travel 50 miles or more this Thanksgiving nationwide. This is almost an 11% increase from before the pandemic. Kylie Petrasic, WMNF News.
Over 6 million acres of Florida agriculture land were affected by Hurricane Helene. A report from the University of Florida Institute of Food and Agricultural Sciences says the total damages could be between $40 and $162 million. The state's agricultural system has seen billion-dollar losses from past storms, says Institute Director Krista Court. She adds that animal products and field crops took the hardest hit this time. But that's not always the case.
And it really depends on what is growing when the event hits. If it happens to hit at peak winter season for our specialty crops down in Southwest Florida.
Projections are that even in the worst case scenario, Florida's embattled citrus crop will be the least affected segment. Court says that 3 hurricanes arriving in quick succession are making it difficult to get data out quickly. Final numbers are still being tallied. AAA Auto Club says expect record traffic this Thanksgiving. Spokesperson Mark Jenkins says more than 100,000 additional Floridians will be driving to their destination compared to last year. And with more people on the roads, drivers should pack their patience as well.
There's going to be a lot of people out there on the roadways leading up to Thanksgiving and then, of course, on the way back home. Please make sure you're practicing your patience, allow people extra space, be courteous to others, and allow yourself extra time to get to your destination.
AAA is expecting almost 600,000 calls from stranded motorists nationwide. Jenkins says the busiest travel days will be tomorrow and Wednesday, and the lightest will be on Thanksgiving Day. The National Weather Service says sunny skies today with a high near 78, clear tonight with a low near 54. Temps will remain steady throughout the week with highs near 80.
I'm Megan Bowman with the WMNF News headlines.
This is The Scoop, recorded at WMNF Tampa.